Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this new set of wireless earbuds by Acuity Serena. Let's check it out. So in the box we got our earbuds and the carrying case. You're also going to get an assortment of some additional tips so that they fit in the ear properly. So if we come in for a closer look on the carrying case, you can see we got a nice slim, sleek, small, portable profile. Makes it easy to go into a pocket without being overly bulky. On the back side here we have USB charging, and like most cases nowadays, they are the container that holds the earbuds as well. So it's got this flashy little lid that slides up and down and is gonna keep the earbuds charged when not in use. And of course they're held in there with magnets, which will keep anything from falling out accidentally. If we come in for a closer look on the earbuds, super small design here, about the size of a tip of a finger. Nice build quality on the front. We got some nice angles and lines here that give it that futuristic type of look. And then it'll be seated into the ear with a little marshmallow earbud tip type of thing. So this is what it looks like when you've got them installed in the ears. It's got a sleek profile, fits right in, not too big, not too small, has a nice secure fit. So sound quality is great. We got nice deep bass. These things get nice and loud, and the audio quality overall is what you would expect when you're buying a Bluetooth speaker. So these do feature active noise cancellation, and you get about 4 settings that you're gonna be able to toggle through. One would be ANC off. ANC level 1, where it's starting to cancel out any background noise. ANC level 2, where it's going to try and block as much of it out as you can. Or you can also enable an ambient mode, so you can actually hear what's happening around you, still have conversations without needing to take an earbud out. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0, and you should be able to get a range of about 30 meters out of them. These also have a really long battery life. You could get about 5.5 hours on a single charge just with the earbuds, and then continuing to use the charge case in conjunction with that, you get about 55 hours total worth. So if you're in the market for a set of Bluetooth earbuds and a nice compact form factor that have a long battery life and good sound quality, then this is something that you're going to want to check out.